Welcome to our tutorial on how to find spam messages in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to accomplish this. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find and click on More. This will expand additional options. Step 4. Among the options, locate and click on Spam. This will open a new tab displaying all your spam messages. By finding spam messages in Gmail, you can effectively manage and filter out unwanted or suspicious emails. This helps to keep your inbox clean and ensures that you only see important and legitimate messages. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Keep your Gmail inbox spam-free and enjoy a clutter-free email experience.